All right, good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo Mata here. One of the biggest questions that I get is how do you find local clients or customers using geolocation, using their geolocation, okay? So let's say I'm in the Tampa Bay area. That's pretty broad. But let's narrow it down. Let's just say I'm in Lutz, Florida, right? I'm in Lutz, Florida. How could I find people that are in that area, that are within that area, okay? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. This is a technique that I've used for a long time. You could pass this on to your clients. You could use this yourself. It works super easy. You need two things. You need the site that I'm going to show you, this geolocation site. And number two, you're going to need Twitter. We're going to be using Twitter to find different potential clients or customers for our services, okay? And again, maybe you have a client that's a chiropractor, a dentist, a lawyer, a plumber. You can do this for them using Twitter, okay? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So I'm going to share my screen with you here. Before I dive into Twitter, the first thing that you want to do is go into mygeoposition.com. Works really easy, mygeoposition.com. You type in, when you get here, you're going to see all of this. You type in the location here, okay? So for this example, I have in Brooklyn, New York, okay? So once I've typed in that location here, you could even type in the business location here. I just want to clarify that. So if you have a client that's a dentist, a plumber, or a chiropractor, a plastic surgeon, you could just type that business name here, it'll pop up. Once you get that information there, click on geodata. We're going to be using the latitude and the longitude for that area, okay? So what we're doing here, and I'm going to bring my screen back here, what we're doing is we're finding profiles that are within that area, within that geo area, okay? And what we're going to do next is we're going to follow them. We're going to follow the profiles. We're going to like a lot of the pictures. This is how we're going to build that traction. And we're not paying for any ads or anything. We're doing this like it's manual, but you're doing it in a way that it's organic. It's going to get you real traction. So let's go back to my screen here. So again, we're using the latitude and the longitude. So what you do next is you type in, you go to your Twitter account, you go to the search, and you type this in here, okay? So the first thing you want to type is geocode, and I'll leave this down in the description so you could copy this and put it on your Twitter search. So geocode, okay? The first thing that you do is you take the latitude, you copy and paste this, and you put it here, okay? And then what you do is you use the longitude, and then you paste that here. Then you want to put in maybe within 1 kilometer, 1 km, 1 ml. It doesn't matter. 1 km, 1 ml, doesn't matter. Just be clear on how far you want it to be as far as like where the business is and how close you want those results to be. I already did this, so I'm seeing a lot of different profiles here. And again, you could do this for your own clients, your own prospects, or even yourself. Maybe you're looking to follow people in a different area, lots of businesses in your local area. You can absolutely do that. I'm finding that larger cities, you'll see more larger cities with, the larger cities tend to have profiles that you can follow, okay? So maybe you're in Chicago, that'll work for you. Maybe you're in Dallas, Miami, or Florida, period. You could follow all types of people and businesses. So what I can do here is, like, let's say if I was a bakery, right? And I'm within this proximity here, and I'm here, right? So what I'll do is I could follow some of these profiles, and I could hire someone to do this. If I'm a bakery, chances are that I could take one of my guys aside, have them do this, and just follow people, you know, at them, hashtag them, you know, maybe comment on their posts and say, hey, we just followed you, follow us back, or, you know, something like that. And this is all being done organically, guys. So you don't have to pay for any type of advertising or anything. You're basically pinpointing a location, and using Twitter, you're following those people within their profile, okay? Within that proximity, okay? So even if they don't even live in that location, you could still follow them, okay? Because maybe they may want to visit you. Maybe you may catch them at the right time, and they may need someone who's a baker or someone who's a plastic surgeon. You never know. You just never know. Just as long as you follow everything I showed you here, you could do this super easy, and it's laser targeted, local, laser local. Like, it doesn't get any local than that, using Twitter and using this geolocation site that I just showed you here. So I hope you got value out of this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up on this video. Very important. Ask any questions down below. I left the geocode down below. All you have to do is replace the latitude and the longitude, and you're good to go. Okay, hope you got value out of this video. I'm Guillermo. I'll speak to you in a bit.